If you're running a travel website, you might want to give your customers the option to inquire about a private trip on their own preferred dates. The private trip option in the fixed starting date add-on allows you to display a dedicated private trip tab right alongside your regular departure dates on your trip pages. This gives travelers a way to contact you directly if they want to inquire about available dates, check booking status, or request a fully private trip tailored to their schedule and group. It's essentially a powerful lead capture tool, especially for tour operators who offer customized group travel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable and display the private trips option on your trip pages step by step. But first, an important note. To access the private trip feature, you must have the Fixed Starting Dates Pro add-on installed and activated on your WordPress site. Once you have the Fixed Starting Dates add-on ready to go, let's jump in. From your WordPress dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and hover over WP Travel Engine, then select Settings. Next, click on Extensions and choose Fixed Starting Dates from the drop-down. Once the Settings panel opens, click on the Private Trip tab at the top. Inside the Private Trip tab, the first thing you'll see is the Enable Private Trip toggle. Simply click it to turn it on. Once enabled, 2 additional fields will appear below. The first field is the private trip description. This is where you add a short message or instructions for the traveler. Click inside the field and type in your message. Next is the private trip form field. If you're using a contact form plugin like WP Forms or Contact Form 7, simply paste your form's shortcode directly into this field. It will render a fully interactive form inside the private trip tab. For this example, I'm using Fluent Forms, but the process is the same for any contact form plugin. This is the recommended approach, as it ensures proper form submissions and email notifications. Once you're happy with your setup, click Save Settings. Your private trip settings are now saved and live on your website. Now let's see how this looks for your visitors. Head to any trip page on your website and scroll down to the Available Dates section. Right next to the Group Departure tab, you'll now see a new Private Trip tab. When a visitor clicks on it, they'll see your description along with the inquiry form you set up, allowing them to reach out directly to arrange their own exclusive travel experience. Clean, simple, and highly effective for converting interested travelers into leads. And that's it! In just a few steps, you've successfully enabled the Private Trips option on your WP Travel Engine trip pages. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WP Travel Engine tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.